Namaste. Welcome to Mission Magnet, an exciting 3-level challenge game here at Magneto Studio. In this game, each student completes one challenge level and then passes the mission to the next teammate. Together, your team must successfully complete all 3 levels to finish the Mission Magnet challenge. Level 1, Pipe Path Challenge. Students build a continuous magnetic pipe pathway from the start to the target while avoiding obstacles. Then they release a ping pong ball which must reach the target in a single attempt. Level 2, Rope and Answer Challenge. Students answer curriculum based questions. Each correct answer allows them to move the rope forward and continue the mission. Level 3, Magnetic Pattern Challenge. Students recreate the given pattern using magnetic geometric pieces by matching the color, shape, position, and orientation. The participant who completes the challenge in the shortest time will be declared as the winner.